So energy balls, I've got some here, are little balls of nuts and seeds and peanut butter and lots of goodness that's all rolled into a little healthy snack. Okay, so these arrive through your letterbox every month, and what happens is once you open it up, you've got all the ingredients that you need to make some energy balls. You've got a little recipe card there. And then you've got, in this instance, there's 9 different ingredients, wet and dry ingredients, so there's everything. You don't need to have anything in your store cupboard ready. And you put it all into a mixing bowl, mix it all up, roll them into energy balls, and then store them in your fridge. And the nice thing is, all of this is plastic free, so this is plant-based packaging that's compostable. The energy ball subscription kits arrive once a month through the door. Inside, they've got enough ingredients to make 30 energy balls, and they keep fresh for 7 days. So that means that you can keep 7 in your fridge and keep the rest in the freezer, and then you can transfer them into the fridge as and when you're ready to eat them up. Each month is going to be a different recipe that comes through the door, so that means you've got a little adventure every time because it arrives and you don't know what it's going to be. So it's a little surprise, and all the family can get involved, everybody can be making them.